Hello children, how are you doing? Yes, you all are doing great because I know you all are sharing your EVS work with your respective class teachers and of course they are sharing with me. Excellent work done by all of you. Those who are not sharing, please share your work so that I can see that you are able to understand what is being taught in the videos shared by the teachers. And if you have any doubt, you can of course ask us. Yes, in the chapter that we are currently doing is chapter number 14, Where Do We Live? We have learned about the new words. We have learned about fill in the blanks. We have learned the ways, the materials used for the construction of the house, factors affecting the construction of the house, the ways in which we can keep our house clean, the ways in which we can decorate our house. So these are the topics which are covered so far. And if you have any doubt related to any topic, anything that has been taught, you can certainly anytime message your teacher and she's going to forward your queries to us and we're going to solve it. Definitely. Like in the previous video, we have learned about, we have given you a worksheet that was, let me share the worksheet with you here. Yes, your worksheet. It says, are the pets unwanted visitors in our house? Yes. So the pets that we know, cockroaches, ants, lizards, they all are unwanted visitors. They are unwanted guests. Do we all need them in the house? No, we do not need them. I don't need them. Why they are unwanted? What harm are they going to do? Yes, these pets are unwanted visitors in the house because they carry harmful germs. And because of these harmful germs, the they cause diseases like cockroaches, houseflies, and lizards. Right? Do you understand? Right. The next question was, why should the garbage to be thrown in separate dustbins? Children, you all know we have the dustbins of two categories, green dustbin and blue dustbin. The garbage should be thrown in two different dustbins so that they can be reused and recycled. For example, in the blue dustbin, whatever we throw that is being recycled. The paper, the tins, the cans, whatever we throw, they are being reused and recycled. And the garbage that we throw in the green dustbin, that is converted into the manure. The green dustbin contains mostly your vegetable peels, your kitchen waste and all that, and that is further being taken care into the manure production. Right? This is how the blue dustbin and green dustbin are divided. So I will be sharing this solved worksheet with all of you children. You are going to, those who have shared the answers, wonderful. Those who have not shared the answers, it's okay. You can go through this worksheet and we are going to check your worksheet. We are going to solve them. We are going to see them. And also you have any doubt related to this, you can ask. Right. Today we are going to cover a very important topic, children, that says a knowledge corner. What is a knowledge corner? You know, after the chapter is like coming to an end, we have a topic to discuss. We have something interesting to tell you. Right. So I have something interesting to show you here. That is your PPT here. It says, chapter number 14, Where Do We Live? Knowledge Corner says that Indus Valley civilization was the first planned cities with granaries, drainage system, and residential area. Children, you know what? During the Indus Valley civilization time, in fact, those early people, they had wonderful planned cities, right? So they had proper planned residential areas, they had the garbage area, they had the drainage system, they had everything planned. So the first planned city was made in the Indus Valley civilization, which was in 3300 to 300 BC. Another important fact I want to tell you about is Swachh Bharat Abhiyan. It is a nationwide campaign. It is also known as Clean India Mission, right? So it is basically to give awareness to all the people in India that one step towards cleanliness. That cleanliness has to be there in India. Like we see many international countries, they are beautiful. They do not have these litters around. They do not have the garbage around. They try to keep their country clean, and so this is our role model for the Indians also, to keep the country clean. So the Swachh Bharat Abhiyan was started by Mr. Narendra Modi to keep the country clean, so that all the Indians, be it a young Indian, be it anyone, right? We are going to keep our country clean, right? So this is how the campaign was started, right? So yes, so today we have learned about the Indus Valley civilization was the first planned cities. They had the first planned cities, and yes, we have the campaign which was started by Mr. Narendra Modi for the cleanliness of India. Now, children, the next thing we are going to know is the. I'm going to share a worksheet with you. It is not a solved worksheet. You all are going to do on your own, and in the next video, I will give you the answer key to this. Right. So the next this worksheet is that has a question that says, write about any 5 community helpers and their role in the construction of the house. Right. So children, can you build your house on your own? Is it easy for you to build your house? No. We need the help of many people to build the house. So you just need to think, imagine, and understand that who all help us to build the house. Right, we need the mason, we need the carpenter for the furniture, we need the plumber for the fittings of our taps and toiletries, right? So we need everybody in each part of the house. So you're just going to write about any 5 people. Imagine, use your brain and think that any 5 people who are a part of community helpers, and they help in the construction of the house. Right, this is how you are going to do the worksheet. And if you have any doubt, anything, you can get back to us. We're happy to help you, and we'll share the doubts, we'll clear the doubts also. And for the answer for this hot question will be shared with all of you. Right, children? So today we have learned about the community helpers who are going to who help in the construction of the house. And for any doubts, you can get back to us. And keep learning, happy learning, and keep asking. God bless you. Thank you. Bye-bye.